Namaskar friends, welcome to my channel once again. So today I would be discussing about possible market crash next year 2022 time frame, early 2022. So we have seen the market has risen from the last COVID-19 crash in 2022 March, and it has never crumbled much since then, and it is rising higher and higher. So there are few parameters I have jotted down, and the astrological combinations as well, which I have jotted down, which I'll discuss in this video. So let's go forward. So possible reasons for market crash soon would be, first of all, there would can be a possible COVID-19 new variant that would come. We have seen the markets crumble because of that, and the panic situation that could arise because of that, because the industries and everything would be shut down. Second reason is the Afghanistan crisis, and terrorism can have its peak during the April time frame next year. So I'll come to the astrological um viewpoints in this video later. Third reason is coal and electricity shortage, which China, India, Europe, and many other countries are experiencing right now. Oil and gas prices have increased to substantial amount right now. Fifth point is inflation, interest rates increase. So inflation would increase, and the interest rates um, would be allowed, would be increased by the governments, and which will impact the investments in the stock market that could possibly lead to a crash next year. Six is semiconductor shortage for automobiles, which is happening right now due to the current issues. Seventh is military tension in Taiwan and Ladakh. So China has been agitated a lot since the COVID-19 rupture. So not sure if it is driven due to some intention or if it is due to some other reason, political reason. But if there are some political military tussles in Taiwan and Ladakh, then it might cause an impact on the share market worldwide as well. Eighth is USA loan debt increase. So USA has been increasing its loan debt and taking more and more loans on paper, and uh, so let's see what's going to happen if this loan is increased further, and if it is not allowed by the political parties in the Congress. Ninth is Evergrande default. So we have seen in past, like whenever a big company dies off or marks bankruptcy, we have seen its impact on other companies as well. So this Chinese company, Chinese giant company Evergrande, has is like likely to default, or it's already default in their state, and it could create an impact on the other companies and institutions as well in the coming time. 10th, trade blackout between countries like China with USA and Australia. So we have seen that China and Australia are having a tussle right now on the trade, and similarly with China and USA as well. So let's see what impact does it bring to the whole world, because now the world is interdependent. So if we talk about a single phone that is manufactured, its parts come from all throughout the world. So if any country stop trading with any other country, so then that particular chip or that particular small product which is coming from that might be causing some shortage in the market, leading to some disruptions in the economy, and might be a possible market crash. So cryptocurrency breakdown, we have seen this cryptocurrency and bitcoins rise and fall like no other thing in this world till now, and it might be a breakdown because China is already uh, debarred its people from investing in cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. So maybe the other countries, if they start taking these steps, then might be some sort of rupture in the crash, or crash in the stock market as well can be seen. job cuts and panic situation, Citibank or any other bank issue might also come as Jupiter passes. So I'll go to the astrological combinations which will be coming, but more or less when the job cuts would be there, or the people getting less jobs, when they are more, when the graduated number is more than what is the job number people are getting. So that could lead a panic situation, and the job cuts could happen because of less sales due to the above mentioned issues. So that could lead a possible market crash scenario. So what are the astrological timings? So I'll just go to first political astrological chart, sorry. So if I see, one second. So if I see a political astrological chart here, so if you can see here that this is a chart on 27th February, when the Mars would be transiting to the Capricorn. So the last time when it happened was when in 2020 March we had the market crash last time due to the COVID. So this time this Mars has uh, revolved around all the 12 signs and came back again to Capricorn now, and it would be meeting Saturn. But some things are different than what was in the previous time. So one thing is like Jupiter would have moved to Aquarius, and it would not be there in the Capricorn to support Saturn, or maybe to cause the markets to rise again. One thing. Second thing is Saturn has already crossed most of his tenure in Capricorn. So you can see that the Saturn's degree is 24 degrees, when the Mars would be coming into the Capricorn at 0 degrees, while the Jupiter has moved out of the Capricorn in Aquarius and it's stable at 19 degrees. So that would, Jupiter would not be there to support Saturn to uplift the market or to save the market now. And Saturn is there, which has already completed its tenure, so it's particularly more stable. But since the Mars is having his exaltation in the sign of Capricorn, which is a Saturnian sign, so might be this is causing some sort of tussle between Mars and Saturn, which has never happened before. So let's see what's going to happen based on our astrological timings. And so reason number one of the market crash and the timings would be the Kal Sarpa starting from 14 December 2021, when Mars crosses Ketu's degrees, and it will occur till 25th April 2022, when Mercury moves out of the Kal Sarp. So what is the Kal Sarp yoga? I'll just briefly explain here. So you can see Rahu and Ketu in this 2 and 8 axis, and you can see there is no planet lying here at all. So this is creating the Kal Sarpi yoga. When no planet lies on one side of Rahu Ketu axis, then we call it as a Kal Sarp yoga, and this Kal Sarp yoga is starting from December 14 this year and would occur till April 25th next year. Second reason, I've already told, Mars moving to Capricorn with Saturn on 27th February with Rahu's 9th aspect. Third is no Jupiter in Capricorn to control the crash. And fourth, so the timing wise, what is going to happen, we'll see an historical event that is going to occur in April, when all the 9 planets starting from 1st April to the last day 30th of April, if we can see, all the 9 planets would be changing their sign. All the 9 planets would be changing the signs. For example, if I'll see here, so if I see here, Saturn would be moving to from Capricorn to Aquarius Jupiter would be moving to his own sign, Pisces. So Saturn moving to Aquarius would mean that oil and gas prices, all those things can rise, and the entertainment industry or the aeroplanes industry would be on a boom. But this would be happening after April. Till April, from December 14 till end of April, everything would be unstable. So there can be a possible market crash, which is due to happen on 27th February 2022, and it can continue, or the peak can be in and around March time frame, and things would start to stabilize only at the end of April, and things will start to form. This issue, ups and downs, would start to form in and around the Christmas of this year, and it would continue till the April end. So I was talking about a planetary movement. So Saturn would be moving to Aquarius, Jupiter to the sign of Pisces. So Jupiter movement to the Pisces in April time frame would create a boom in the banking sector possibly. Mars would be moving again to Aquarius. Rahu would be changing sign and coming backwards to Aries. That might cause some terrorist kind of attacks in the later year. Moon anyways moves sign every day, every second day. Venus would be changing signs, and Mercury even would be changing signs. So if we can see that all the 9 planets are moving signs, including Rahu and Ketu. So that could bring a political complete change in the political scenario in and around that April 2022. So let's be aware of that. So those who are investing in stock market, please enjoy the bull run till you can say the mid of December, or till you can say this Christmas 2021. But after that you could see the market going haywire, and it might cause a crash in and around February end, and it might peak down in March. So that is the conclusion till now. Let's see how it comes up, and but please consult your financial advisor. This is only for learning purpose, this video, and it's only to let you know what things can bring out in the next few months. So please be aware of that. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.